To install the Superman Kodi Build 2024 on Kodi 21 Omega, start by launching your Kodi application. Navigate to the Settings gear icon and select System. From there, go to Add-ons and enable Unknown Sources. This allows you to install third-party builds. Next, return to the home screen, click on File Manager, and then Add Source. Enter the URL http://repo.supremebuilds.com and name it Superman. Now, head back to the home screen, select Add-ons, and click on the package installer icon at the top left. Choose Install from zip file, select Superman, and then click on the repository zip file. Once installed, go to Install from repository, find the Superman repository, and select Program Add-ons. Click on the Superman build and hit Install. After the installation completes, restart Kodi, and you'll find the Superman build ready to use. Enjoy your enhanced streaming experience.